Hi, this is Steve Biggs of Boatshed, Norfolk, with the exterior of a very, very tidy Regal 2665 Commodore from 2003, single diesel, Yanmar. This is the exterior. Really good height canopy, folds down, becomes a bimini. All polished GRP and gel coat. Navy blue hull. Everything appears to be in very, very good condition on this boat. A couple of little areas of cleaning required on one of the seats in the cockpit, but she is a 20-year-old boat, and for that she is in incredible condition. Really, really tidy, polished, looked after and loved. You'll see from the interior video just how good the condition of this boat is, both inside and out. Step through screen, so step up on the inside, open the screen, walk down on the deck. Full standing headroom canopy, stainless steel windows and ports. Really a very, very tidy boat. 3 storage lockers on the transom, on the swim platform. If you'd like further information on this 2003 Regal 2655 Commodore, please contact me, Steve Biggs, at boatshednorfolk.com. Thanks for watching.